So you guys know I was looking for some new mufflers for my truck, and well, we found what I was looking for. So I reached out to Evil Energy, and I asked them some questions about their stainless steel exhaust resonator muffler that they offered. I saw some other ones online that were very similar, but Evil Energy had the best price on them all. So I had to get two. There it is. Second one in the bag, broski. Oh, beautiful, mate. Beautiful. Beautiful, mate. It's so beautiful, mate. I love it, bro. Wow. Wow. So these resonators are a straight through design, very similar to your classic glass pack. Stainless steel. They have the fiberglass packing and a perforated straight through design. We can see each other, broski. Yeah. So this is going to be the kind of sound that I was looking for over a chambered muffler. My Flowmaster 10s are that single chamber, old school style, and I wanted the resonator muffler sound over the chambered. So Evil Energy makes these in a few different sizes for actually a few different cars too. Not even if you do not have a Silverado or a pickup truck, they make a lot of these different ones for cars, for import tuners, and even your big full size trucks. But what I found is that Evil Energy had the best price per. So I also got lucky enough that they activated a coupon code. What you say? A coupon code. So anybody who's watching this, get 10% off at www.ievilenergy.com. Use coupon code BANGINBROS. It'll give you 10% off any of the performance parts that they carry and make. Hey, you go, bro. If I'm going to get something dope, I want to make sure all of my bros can get something dope for their rides as well. So I was looking at the Speedy's Equipment Snap, and man, really what it came down to is I need two mufflers, and they had a limit of buy one, and then you got to pay shipping for both of them. So I was looking at a $120 muffler bill just for the mufflers, which is fine, it's okay. $80 shipped. $80 shipped. Coupon code BANGINBROS, and then all orders over $50 get free shipping in the US. So I saved $40, and you know what happens whenever you save a little money? You spend a little money. So I got another muffler. They also sell your classic big monster chambered mufflers if you like that sound. This is their 50 series, and it's going to go on Myka Suburban, so it can give it a little bit of rumble. He wants something a little bit more mild, where I want something a little bit more wild. And that's just the way, all tastes are good as long as your pipes are loud. You know what I'm saying, bro? And you can get these for only $100 with coupon code BANGINBROS at checkout. Not bad, bro. Don't be spending an extra $75 on a different name brand when this thing will do the same damn job and you can save a whole bunch of money. Kind of feel like a bartender. What you want on the rocks, brother? Okay. Yep. The only thing I'm serving here is ice water. So if you need anything from Evil Energy, just head over to BANGINBROS.com and you'll find the tab that says Evil Energy. Use coupon code BANGINBROS. You get 10% off all of their performance parts. If you need it, they got it, bro. You just got to go get it. Peace. Oh, yeah.